Hey, I'm Lewis. Welcome back. In this video, I will give you an overview of the Secure Gateways app interface. Let's go ahead and get started. Secure Gateways is a Power BI app that requires a Power BI Pro or Premium license. Once your administrator has installed it, you can find it in your Microsoft Fabric apps. When you open the app, the first screen you'll see is the summary. Here, you will find two main sections, one for the Azure datasets and one for Microsoft 365. For each section, you will find the last time the data was fetched from Microsoft with the file timestamps. Below is a short explanation of the release calendar and when the data is refreshed from the backend. Finally, you will find a count of the resources contained in the datasets. The menu buttons at the bottom of the screen lead to the other pages. Let's start with M365 endpoints. The M365 endpoint screen has all the search and filtering options at the top of the page. Below is the list of all the endpoints for all the cloud instances. Let's see how it works. Let's say I want to find the endpoints to optimize my Exchange server in the commercial cloud instance. I will select Worldwide from the instance filter, Exchange from the service area, and Optimize as a category. As you can see, I obtained one record with the configuration I need. I have the URLs to authorize, the IP addresses, and the ports to allow on the firewall. I also know these are required for the Exchange service to function and are valid for express route setups. If I want to export my results, all I have to do is click on the ellipsis of the result table and select Export Data. You can export the data with the same layout as the result table and save it locally on your computer. What if I wanted to see the same configuration for a different cloud instance? It's easy to do. Select the cloud instance you're interested in, and voila! Secure Gateways allows you to compare configurations with one click. Let's clear all the filters with the Clear All Filters button and start a new search. You've probably noticed some search fields at the top of the page. These allow you to type in values, even partially, to search the dataset. Let's say I don't recognize the 40.92.0.0 IP address in my firewall and would like to know its corresponding service. I can type it in the Search IPs field and click Enter. Now I can see that it's the Outlook Protection Service. The same is true for port numbers. Why am I allowing traffic on port 993? Let's search for it. Now I can see that port 993 is connected to Exchange Online. However, it's only required in some cloud instances. We can indeed work with this information and tweak those firewall rules. As another example, let's say my company has decommissioned Skype and I would like to clean up my configuration. I can use the search URL field to find out what I can clear. I type in Skype and here are my results. All of this is just taking seconds. Secure Gateways works the same way for M365 Delta records and Azure records. The change logs make tracking changes from one file version to the next easier. In one of the following videos, we'll see how that works. Azure endpoints and service tags work similarly. The dataset includes the Azure Public Cloud and the Azure Government Cloud. As you can see here, you can filter by region, system service, and network features. For example, I'm building an application that uses Power Query Online for our offices in Italy and want to know what configuration to use. In that case, I can type in the system service first and then see if Italy is available. Voila! I can configure the service to work with the Italy North region. I'm sure that by now you get the point. Secure Gateways simplifies a convoluted task that could take hours to read documentation or download files. Next, we'll dive deep into the Microsoft 365 change logs and see the possibilities that Secure Gateways unlocks. Thanks for watching.